everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to check Costco shop card balance. So in order to check a Costco shop card balance, you need to visit the Costco website or use the Costco mobile application. So simply launch upon Costco mobile application or simply launch upon any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is enter this link www.costco.com/Costco-shop-card. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to check the balance of your Costco shop card. All you have to do is enter your card number and PIN over here. So click on the field of card number and enter the card number. Make sure to enter the valid card number. Now click on the field of PIN and enter the PIN over here. Now after you enter the card number and PIN, what you have to do is click on this option, check balance. After that, you'll be able to see your Costco shop card balance in the next interface. Likewise, you can do it in the application too. For that, what you have to do is tap on the account icon, usually at the bottom of your screen in the Costco mobile app. Scroll down to the help section and tap on the option shop card balance. After that, enter the shop card number and PIN and you'll be able to view the balance. Likewise, you can also check the balance in warehouse. Visit any Costco warehouse and ask a cashier or customer service representative to check the balance for you. Likewise, you can also do it over the phone. Call the phone number on the back of your card. You may be asked for your card number and other identifying information. Simply provide it. After that, they'll check the balance for you and you'll be able to find out your balance. So like this, you'll be able to check the Costco shop card balance. So that is how you check Costco shop card balance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.